Ooh, what's that?
Oh, weh, that's a hedgehog. He tua tete.
Hedgehog. He sua tete.
This little spiky animal lives in my garden.
Ka pai, he sua tete. Bye-bye, sua tete. Hei kona.
Oh, the oven's beeping.
Ooh.
The keke's cooked.
Namu namua. Keke.
Today's my birthday. Ko takura whānau na. The keke's nearly ready, Moko. I'll take it out of the oven. Don't touch, it's wera, hot.
Ooh, all the jobs are done. The mahi is finished. Kui, is it time for the party?
In 10 minutes, eardrop.